The basic knowledge you must have. In detail, you will learn. Everybody should follow one rule. How many rules we have? We have 17 IFRS right now. What is the meaning of Indian accounting standards? All the accounting standards which are framed, we completed all your accounting concepts. This we call it as trade discount. Who is called as debtor and who is called as creditors? Hello everyone, I am your ALsir, lecturing Vidhyaashram PU College, the Temple of Excellence. So, we are in the last as well as fifth session of your topic called Theory-Based Accounting. The last session, in this we will learn about IFRS as well as Indian accounting standards. So, these things will come only for 1 mark. That will be write any two IFRS, write any two Indian accounting standards. So what do you mean by IFRS? What do you mean by IAS? Like this, 1 mark question you will get from this topic. Again I am telling you, in detail we don't want. Why? Because still you are in 11th, first PUC. For first PUC, learning about IFRS, learning about Indian accounting standard is not required. The basic knowledge you must have. In detail, you will learn when you go for graduation as well as post-graduation. We'll go with the next slide. The first one, IFRS. IFRS stands for International Financial Reporting Standards. We completed accounting principles. The accounting principles which are ruled by what? Yes, which are ruled by GAAP. What is this GAAP? Generally accepted accounting principle. Again I repeat, generally accepted accounting principle. Remember this. Why? Because this is your 1 mark question. GAAP stands for what? GAAP stands for generally accepted accounting principle. Now we are in IFRS, International Financial Reporting Standards. Now, what is IFRS? IFRS means all over the globe, all over the world, everybody should follow one rule. Everybody should follow single procedure, one procedure while doing accounting. Why? Because you can compare your transaction with others' transaction. You can do comparison between one company to another company. How? If you are maintaining one kind of uniformity in your accounting preparation, then you can compare with other companies. So, IFRS will give you certain rules and regulation. If everybody follows that, then everybody in the same kind of accounting. Now, in this, you will get only one question. What is IFRS? And what IFRS stands for? IFRS stands for International Financial Reporting Standards. And what do you mean by IFRS? Now, International Financial Reporting Standards set common rules so that financial statement can be consistent, transparent, and comparable around the world. This much you have to remember. What is IFRS? If you use IFRS, it will be set of common rules of financial statement can be consistent, transparent, and comparable. Consistent means what? Equal, similar. Transparent, easy, means there won't be any fraud or mistakes. Comparable, you can compare one company with another company around the world. Why? Because everybody following the same rules. That is called IFRS. Now, list of IFRS. Right now we have 17 IFRS. How many rules we have? We have 17 IFRS right now. Every year or every couple of years, they add 1 or 2 IFRS according to the requirement. Right now, we have 17 IFRS, though You need not to remember all 17. Any 2 you have to remember. I have given you total 4. Out of 4, which one you feels easy? Remember any 2. For example, and while writing your IFRS, remember the numbers should match. You cannot write 16 revenue from contract. It should be IFRS 16 lease accounting, IFRS 15 revenue from contract, IFRS 10 consolidated financial statement, IFRS 17 insurance contract. So my suggestion, go with this one and this one. Insurance you can remember. IFRS 17 insurance contract, IFRS 16 lease contract. Done. Easy to remember. Any 2 you have to remember. Now you know what is IFRS stands for and what do you mean by IFRS and list of IFRS. The next one is, what is an accounting standard? We also call it as Indian Accounting Standards. IFRS means that is all over world. Indian Accounting Standard means the rules and regulation which is only for Indians. Now, all Indian companies, all Indian, whoever they make transaction, they should follow these Indian Accounting Standards. Right now, earlier it was 27, again 29, then 32. Right now, there is 41 Indian Accounting Standards. Right now how much? 41. The number which varies. Why? Because they will delete some accounting standards if it is not required and they will add some accounting standard if they need. Like that, the numbers always varies. At present we have 41 accounting standards. Now again, what do you mean by accounting standard? Similarly, what we learn for IFRS, same concept applies for Indian Accounting Standard also. IFRS for complete world, Indian Accounting Standard only for India. Even your driving license, 2 kinds of driving license you get. One is universal license, means not only in India, in many countries you can go with that license copy or you can go with that license. That is called universal license. Then the normal Indian license, if you go for Indian driving license, you can drive or ride only within India. Similarly, your IAS or Indian Accounting Standard, it is only within India. IFRS, it is all over the world. Now, what is the meaning of Indian Accounting Standards? Now, an accounting standard is a common set of principles. Principles means what? Rules and regulation or disciplines, standards and procedures that define the basis of financial accounting policy and practices. Accounting standard improve the transparency of financial reporting in all countries. Country-wise, we have accounting standard. For India, we are following Indian Accounting Standards. Clear? Yes. Now, again, same logic. As I told you, even though there are 41 Indian Accounting Standards, no need to remember all 41. If you are planning for CA, Chartered Accountant, if you are planning for CS, Company Secretary, if you are planning for CMA, Certified Management Accountant or Cost Management Accountant, if you are planning for any professional courses, then you have to remember all accounting as well as IFRS standards. Why? Because in detail study you will do in those professional courses, and whatever Indian accounting standards we have, which are given by whom? Which are given by chartered accountants. All the accounting standards which are framed and given by chartered accountants. Now, these are the accounting standards we have. Same logic, we have total 4 in this. Out of 4, remember only 2. Now, IAS 1, presentation of financial statement. IAS 2, inventory. Inventory means, remember, stock. In your godown or your factory, whatever unsold goods are there are the goods which are ready to sell is called as stock. Then, statement of cash flow, construction contract and agriculture. Again, I told you, you have to remember how many Indian accounting standards? Yes, only 2. Which are those 2? Easy to remember. You are familiar with the word called agriculture. So IAS 41. As I told you, how many accounting standards you have? 41. Go with the last one. 41st accounting standard is called agriculture. Then go with the second one, inventories. Second one, inventory. 41 is called as agriculture. Clear? Yes. So these 2 you have to remember for your 1 or 2 marks question. So this is all about your chapter 2, theory based accounting. We completed all your accounting concepts. Like under accounting principle, we have 2 things, concept as well as conventions. Concept, all 10 concepts we completed. All 4 conventions we completed. Accounting standards we completed. IFRS we completed. Now, this is the last thing. Which are the small things we missed out? We will cover up in this session. Now, first thing is transactions. So, these are the basic terms you will come across in the future. Means, while doing problems, we will come across these kind of words. Better we'll learn or we'll understand now itself. What do you mean by transaction? Simple. Now, if I sell any goods, that is transaction. If I purchase goods, transaction. I gave 5,000 as loan, transaction. I received 10,000 from bank as loan, transaction. I deposited 20,000 in bank, transaction. I invested in some shares, transaction. I purchased furniture, transaction. I sold my bike, that is transaction. These are called as transaction. Clear? Yes. In transaction, we have 2 types. One is cash transaction and another one is credit transaction. In the previous session, I explained you what is cash, what is credit. If you are receiving goods by paying cash, that is cash transaction. If you are receiving goods by paying cash later, promise that I'll pay you tomorrow, that is called as credit transaction. Any purchase or sale of asset on loan basis, we call it as credit transaction. Clear? This is all about the word called transaction. Now, the next topic called discount. This is also very important. You know about discount, but you will learn something new in discount today. What is discount? Yeah, reduce in the value of any goods is called as discount. Now, in discount we have 2 types. One is cash discount. Another one is trade discount. What is the first one? Cash discount. What is the second one? Trade discount. What is the difference between cash discount as well as trade discount? You will learn these differences in today's session. Trade discount, I'll first explain you what is trade discount, then we'll come back for cash discount. Now, if you go to any mall or shopping complex, they will market the goods like, for example, you want to purchase some cloth. So they will write, the price of the goods or cloth is $9.99. So below that they will write like this. Then below that they will write $5.99 and with offer price. Understood this one? Now, if you go to any shops or malls, they will write 999 as a price and offer price is 599. In this, the shop itself, the owner itself giving you discount of worth 400. Worth 400 rupees discount they are offering. Or one more example I will give you. They will give you the price 1000 with 30% off. Means out of 1000, 30% off means what? 30% we reduce. 1000 minus 30%, you have to pay only how much? 700. This we call it as trade discount. The concept is the discount are offered, which is offered by owner, which is offered by shopkeeper, is called as trade discount. Clear? Yes. Now we'll come back to your cash discount. We'll understand what do you mean by cash discount. Simple to understand cash discount. For example, just take example of your mom. Take example of your mom. Same thing, she will go to some shop. You're with your mom in that shop. It's same cloth shop only. You like some cloth. The price of the cloth is how much? It is around 1000 rupees. What is the price of the cloth? Yes, it is 1000 rupees. If you go to the shop, if you are going to shop alone means 1000, you pay 1000 and you will buy that cloth. But if you are going with your mom, imagine if it is 1000, your mom start bargaining with, will you give it for 350? Yes, hope you experienced this. Even though the price is 1000, your mom starts bargaining with 350. Finally, after 10 or 15 minutes bargaining or discussion, finally she gives 400 and she will buy that cloth. That is called cash discount. The shopkeeper has not offered you any discount. You are only asking for discount. 1000 rupees worth cloth, you are asking for what price? 350. If I go for shopping means, I may ask for 950 because I am very poor in shopping. So if I take my mom along with me, definitely she will go less than 350 rupees. Clear? This is called cash discount. Hope you understood. What do you mean by trade discount and what do you mean by cash discount? So we learned two concepts or two basic terms. One is transaction and the one is called as discount. Now the major thing is debtor and creditors. So these are the major things, debtors and creditors. In every calculation, every problem, you will find this word debtors and creditors. So don't be in bias or confusion that debit and credit, that is different. This is called debtors and creditors. Already I explained you what are debtors and what are creditors. Again, with an example, we'll have this explanation. Now, who is called as debtor and who is called as creditors? I'll go with an example. So there is a mobile shop. So there is a mobile shop. So you are running a mobile shop now. So this is your shop. Your name is XYZ and my name is PQR. What is your name? XYZ. My name is PQR. I am your customer. You are my seller. Hope you understood this. Now, you are running a mobile shop. It is your shop. You are the seller means owner. Your name is XYZ. My name is PQR. I am the customer here. Shall I go ahead? Yes. Now, I have purchased some mobile. One mobile I will purchase from your shop. I purchased mobile from your shop. The price of the mobile is around 20,000. The price of the mobile is 20,000. Now, I purchased mobile from you. I don't have cash. From it may be with the help of Bajaj Finance or some home credit or something. I purchased a mobile for rupees 20,000. I promised you that this 20,000 I'll pay by loan. I pay by installment. Every month I'll pay you 1,000. How many months I need? Yes, I need 20 months. How many months I need? I need 20 months to complete my 20,000 loan. Clear? Yes. I have taken in the month of first month I have taken. At the end of 20th month, I'll end with my loan clearance. Clear? Yes. Now, up to 20 months, up to end of your installment, you are called as creditor. Why? Because you have given me mobile on loan basis. You have given me mobile on loan basis. Means still you have not received your amount. You are called as creditor. Clear? Yes. Remember, C for cash. You are not yet collected your cash. Okay. So, still it is pending. Until I pay complete 20,000, you are called as creditor. Now, come to debtors. I am the person, I am enjoying this mobile without paying complete 20,000. Until I pay this 20,000 completely, I am called as debtor. Clear? The person who has to pay, the person still has to pay, called as debtor. The person has to receive, called as creditor. Very simple. Clear? Creditor means the person still not yet received the complete amount. Debtor means the person not yet paid the complete amount. This is all about your debtors and creditor. Remember this shortcut. Creditor starts with C. C means he has not collected cash. He has not collected cash. Clear? Yes. So this is also one of the important topics. 3 topics we learn. One is transaction. In transaction we have 2 things. Cash, credit. The second one is what? Discount. In discount we learn 2 things. Cash discount, trade discount. Third one is what? Debtors and creditors we learned. The next topic we are learning is bills receivable and bills payable. What do you mean by bills receivable as well as bills payable? Bills receivable and bills payable means you have taken loan of rupees 10,000 by pledging your documents. That is called bills. Again, I'll tell you. You have taken 10,000 or 5,000 loan by pledging. Pledging means what? Keeping your documents. For example, I have my graduation marks card. That graduation marks card I have given to somebody for taking 10,000 loan. When I repay the 10,000, I can take back my marks card. That is called bills receivable and bills payable. You have to pay him the 10,000 back. That is called bills payable. That person has to receive the 10,000 back. That is called bills receivable. Clear? Yeah, this is not completely a loan. This is just you are pledging your document and collecting money. Bills receivable, bills payable. Whatever document you are pledging, we call it as bills. Pledging means what? Giving to somebody for the case of cash. Clear? This is bills receivable and bills payable. This is also one of the important topic for your further calculations. So we completed this session with saying that learn concept and earn marks. In the next session, we'll go with a new topic. Maybe you're bored of by just listening to the theory. So being a commerce student, from the next topic, we'll go with problems. Thank you.